I wanted to share something about my Benelli really quickly. I just finished putting it, changing the front wheel. But I use a Pitbull rear stand to lift and support the back of the bike. But on the front, there's a bit of a challenge. To get the wheel off the ground, I can use a Pitbull front stand. However, the one tricky part is up here. The steering stem. This is huge. It's like an inch and a half. And the pins on the Pitbull stand are not big enough. They will not fit in that opening. If you notice if this will focus, this is a pin number 8 for a Pitbull stand, number 8 pin there. So I had to do something to fix this problem. What I did, let me pick it up because I lost it. I made a spacer out of a piece of pipe. This is a 1-inch galvanized steel pipe. It is 3 inches long. And what I did is this will fit into the opening in the steering stem. And then the inner diameter of that adapter is small enough that I can support that with the Pitbull stand. So if I can get it to focus there. It has a little bit of crap on it, so it sticks nicely into the opening. But that's all I did to be able to pick the bike up using the Pitbull stand. Stand in. Line it up. And sorry, this is really hard to do with one hand with the iPhone, but now I can lift and support the front of my bike just with a standard Pitbull stand and a number 8 pin. Boy, my phone does not like to focus. There we go. Okay, that's it. How to use Pitbull stands with a Benelli so you can take the forks off, take the wheel off, etc.